First, data taken by the 3.6-meter telescope detects unexpected kilonova emission from a long-duration gamma ray burst. Photometric observations taken with the 3.6-meter Devasthal optical telescope have provided vital information on the earliest phase of a kilonova ever detected, radically changing the understanding of scientists about the origin of GRBS. First, Sherpa meeting of India's G20 presidency concluded today. The first Sherpa meeting has set the tone for forthcoming meetings in 32 different G20 work streams, including the Sherpa track, finance track, and engagement groups. The substantive discussions on prevailing global challenges and the warm hospitality with the motto Atithi Deva Bhava resonated throughout the G20 Sherpas meeting and was highly appreciated by all delegates. Prime Minister's Awards for Excellence in Public Administration 2022 2,520 nominations received. Prime Minister's Awards for Excellence in Public Administration 2022 designed to acknowledge, recognize, and reward exemplary work done by civil servants across the country. 743 districts, which is 97% of the total districts, have registers for participation in the Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration 2022. India-Germany strengthened partnership on the skills agenda. 12th meeting of the Indo-German Joint Working Group held today to encourage vocational education and training. PM salutes Armed Forces on Armed Forces Flag Day. Today, on Armed Forces Flag Day, we salute the valor and sacrifices of our armed forces since decades. They are at the forefront of protecting our nation and contributing to a stronger India. I also urge you all to contribute to the Armed Forces Flag Day Fund. For more updates, to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel RICE Smart Bangla.